Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Ethereum looking very bullish because everything looks just great with its testnet. And now they're saying that there is a very big chance that the mainnet phase 0 going to start at the end of this year. And if that happens, that can actually push Ethereum price higher. So let's discuss that. The second news will be about Michael Saylor, who invested about $425 million in Bitcoin through the company MicroStrategy. He's the CEO of this company. And now he changed his mind and he believes now Bitcoin is the future. This is the way to save our savings, save the company. So, you know, he was really bearish about Bitcoin, but I will get into this when I'm discussing this news. And the third news is going to be a bearish news coming from India. It looks like the government in India is still really against crypto and working very hard to ban crypto. So this doesn't look really good for India. Let's talk about that as well. And if you want to get the freshest, the hottest, the crispiest blockchain and cryptocurrency news every weekday, the only thing what you should do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm putting videos on YouTube every weekday, Monday to Friday, every day, a fresh new video. And of course, you can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Plus, I would like to give you a totally free course. The link is right under this video here on YouTube. And it's all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Lot of valuable information. The bull market is coming and you should be prepared. So watch this course and be prepared. Because it's very important that you're not losing your crypto after you invested, you're saving your personal data, and so on and so forth. Okay, and now it's time to look at the market. So Bitcoin performed quite well in the last 24 hours because we're going towards 11,000 again. Right now at $10,882, which is a 1.34% increase. Ethereum went a little bit down. It's minus 2.78% decrease. Right now, $364. When we're looking at the top gainers, Hyperion 16%, ABBC Coin 12%, Digibyte 12%, but not too much gains in the last 24 hours when we're looking at the old coins. By the way, we see some drops because Flaxacoin minus 26%, NXM minus 26%, SushiSwap minus 23%. And when we look at them, so actually in the old coin region, there are more losses and dumps now, more discounts, put it this way, than actually in the Bitcoin. Look at Band Protocol, Quality Protocols going down 12% now. Or Loopring minus 16%, also very good. So yeah, now it's time to look around, maybe to invest in some of the top quality altcoins which are on discount price. But you know, do your research before you do anything, and it's of course your responsibility. And then let's move on to the first news. And it's all about this is on GitHub. And the thing is, what they're saying here, that Ethereum 2.0 mainnet, it's probably coming really end of the year. And this is basically phase 0. And everything right now with the testnet looking very promising. And, you know, right now what we have, the testnet, Medela is, you know, it's happening at the moment. And the next step, really before the mainnet starts, it's Spadina. And everything looks perfect so far. And it's very important. And let's discuss a couple of things what's going to happen when phase 0 will be introduced. So phase 0 will be all about staking, okay? So this is the main thing what's going to happening in phase 0. And to participate, you have to stake 32 ETH. But now you can team up with others. It's not necessary to do it on your own. You can do it through a pool when you just participate in it with a smaller share, and you can still stake. And for that, you actually have to lock down those ETH. So what's going to happen? People going to move Ether from Ethereum 1.0 to staking it into Ethereum 2.0, and that will cause actually a decrease in the circulation supply. So there will be less ETH around, and this can actually push up the price. Not just the fact that Ethereum 2.0 it's working very well when it actually the mainnet starts and it's happening and everything looks promising, but also that there will be more ETH locked down. And this is very important. And the second or third or whatever which thing is that the portion of the fee in Ether will be burned during the transactions. So actually there will be ETH burned, which will also decrease the number of ETH out there. So when we're looking at these things, it's actually bullish. And I think it's not very wide to say that at the end of the year, we can have Ethereum at, 1K, at $1,000. And, right now, as you saw it at the beginning, it's around 360 something. So it can more than double until the end of the year. Of course, there are many situations which can happen, can happen another black swan event. After that action, we don't know what's happening to the economy, to the stock market. So these things always affect crypto. But if things looking bright, and things going on just like it's now, and the mainnet will start and working very well. In that case, I think Ethereum has a good chance to reach 1,000 at the end of the year. But of course, we will see. Nobody knows the future. This is just a prediction. Okay, so this article is all about that they're moving on to Spadina, and this will be really the last step before the mainnet phase 0 will be launched. And the second news is about this guy who said now, he's Michael Saylor, and he's the CEO of MicroStrategy. And he is now a kind of all-in to Bitcoin, because he said he had really time during this COVID-19 period to think about it and dig deep, and read all the things what he could put his hands on about crypto and Bitcoin. And now he said that he was wrong when he said when Bitcoin was at range 600 that Bitcoin won't go anywhere. And he's saying now that I wish I knew back then what I know now. And what is he talking about? Look, here is this tweet by him back in 2013, end of December, kind of. And he said, Bitcoin, days are numbered. It seems like just a matter of time before it suffers the same fate as online gambling. So he was very, very bearish on Bitcoin. He said it's a fraud, it's a fake thing, it's a scam, and all these things, like so many people a couple of years before. And now look, he tweeted yesterday on the 15th of September 2020, MicroStrategy completed its acquisition of 16,796 additional Bitcoins at the aggregate purchasing price of 175 million. To date, we have purchased totally 38,250 Bitcoin at an aggregated purchase price of 425 million, inclusive of fee and expenses. So which means you can see these numbers, $425 million in Bitcoin. What a change. Back in 2013, he said all the bad things about Bitcoin, didn't believe it. And now he made major moves. And moving away from the dollar, the main reason investing in Bitcoin is moving away from the dollar is now Saylor's primary concern. He said he can't stand the inflationary risk. So, we're talking about Bitcoin as a volatile currency. And now he's saying that he's escaping from dollar into Bitcoin to avoid this kind of inflation risk. This is also something strong. He said here as of press time, MicroStrategy has invested 425 million into Bitcoin, as I said already. And we just had an awful realization that we were sitting on the top of $500 million ice cube just melting, talking about the US dollar. As Saylor said, MicroStrategy has settled on Bitcoin as the treasury alternative. So to sum it up, he believes, and he's now with this amount a true whale in Bitcoin, that the dollar going to inflate. So whatever you have in cash in US dollar, the value of it goes down day by day. So you're looking for safe assets you can invest. Gold and precious metals could be one, but he believes that actually Bitcoin will be a much better investment. And, someone who invests 425 million Bitcoin from the company money, that's a kind of significant amount. So this is very interesting another example, how people change from really bearish and against Bitcoin towards really for Bitcoin and supporting it extremely. And now the third news I would like to discuss, it's a bearish one when it comes to India. India's parliament is now discuss a bill to intend to ban crypto trading. So he wants to ban the whole crypto trading in India. And, the move comes a month after the 20th March court victory against the central bank. If you remember, in March, they won against the central bank. They actually banned Bitcoin, and then, the Supreme Court basically said, no, you just can't do it. And they won, and now crypto is back on track in India. But it looks like the government doesn't really want to give up. It's still going after Bitcoin. He is saying the Indian government is planning to ban cryptocurrency trading in the country. So actually, of course, not Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in general. According to the new reporting, if passed through the parliament, the new ban would impact almost 2 million active crypto traders, which means they estimate that there are about 2 million crypto traders in India. So actually, it's a quite big number. Of course, India's population, it's like huge, but, still. And, we have, if you're watching my videos, then you have heard already about Russia, how they ban crypto. Yesterday was that Paxful is moving out from Venezuela because the circumstances are not really great for Bitcoin trading. And now there's India. And of course, there will be probably more and more countries out there which feeling losing the power over the economy. And they see a danger in crypto. They see a danger with Bitcoin that people don't want to keep their savings in the local currency and turning towards cryptocurrency instead of, which they cannot really control. So this is the reason, this is the engine which makes governments turn against crypto. Well, we will see how it works out. We could see already that once they were successful in India when they won the trial against the central bank, which banned crypto. So we'll see how this will turn out. Even if this bill goes live, maybe there will be some against this one, and then maybe crypto will be legal again. I'm sure that crypto and cryptocurrency, it stays around. It cannot really go away. Maybe it will stay underground for a while if this goes live. But right now, this is just a rumor. But the bearish thing is that the Indian government is just thinking in this direction. So not supporting crypto, but they are against of crypto. Guys, if you like the content, then smash the like button. That's it for today. If you want to get, the freshest, the hottest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday from Monday to Friday, then you just simply should subscribe to Blockchain Bloom YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you get the videos as soon as they're out, and then you are up to date, which is crucial. Also, prepare yourself for the bull market. Download the totally free course. The link is under the video, which is all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So many people have downloaded it already, and they said really good things about it. Even those who have started to invest, they said there were some gray areas they could fix after this course. So why not give it a try? It's totally free. And of course, tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. So see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.